What's up, guys? So we have already done the unboxing video of the Xiaomi S Box 2nd generation, and we also did a quick review, but in this video we are going to go deeper. I have been using this box for a few weeks now, and it's got some good stuff as well as bad features, so be sure to watch the video till the end. So the box is selling for $80 plus or minus, and it comes with a power pack, HDMI cable, a remote, a thick manual with multiple languages, and obviously the box itself. The power pack is the standard 5 volts 2M1, nothing special about it, just like the HDMI cable. But the remote has some features that are worth mentioning. It's long, thin, and steady, with a matte black finish, easy to hold and comfortable to operate. It's taken in 2x AAA batteries. The Xiaomi label at the bottom is also a nice touch, as you can see. The shortcuts on the remote also works perfectly. There is Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Xiaomi TV Plus. On top, we have the power button, followed by the Google Assistant button. If you press this one, you'll be able to control your box using voice commands. And it really works well with expected delays, of course. The only bad part about this remote is that it does not have a mute button. You have to manually reduce the volume to 0. The remote uses Bluetooth, so you don't necessarily have to point the remote in the direction of the box. The remote also comes with brand new infrared functionality that allows you to control power and volume on both your TV and sound box using the same Xiaomi remote. Okay, moving on to the actual box. It looks intact with a matte black finish as well. Simple design, nothing fancy. On top, there is the full name written instead of just the logo. At the back, there is an HDMI port, audio jack, one USB port only, which might be a turn off for others. Personally, I prefer at least 2 ports, just in case. But you can get yourself a USB adapter that will give you multiple ports, but that will mean pumping out more money. There is also no Ethernet port as well. You can only connect via Wi-Fi. It supports dual band, that is 2.4 and 5 GHz, which at the moment is good enough. And on Ethernet, you can also buy the USB to Ethernet adapter. On system specs, there is 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, which might be too small for most users. And sadly, there is no SD card slot, so you have to make peace with the 8 GB of storage. And take note that this is total storage, not usable. Usable is way lower than 8 GB. But with this low memory, the box functions smoothly. It's really a huge improvement from its predecessor. It's properly Google certified and runs Google TV, which supports most popular streaming apps like Amazon Prime, YouTube, Showmax, Netflix, Disney Plus, and more. You can also add more applications using Google Play. There you get applications specifically optimized for these TV boxes. They play smoothly without any buffering issues. You also get YouTube Kids and YouTube Music. Well, you have to pay first to access most of these applications, but having them readily available is a bonus if you ask me. The hassle of installing APK files can be stressful, especially to a non-tech person. Let's talk about the picture quality now. I don't think the sound output really matters because we usually connect the box to a sound system that has its own amplifier and specs, so we'll not touch on that. The box promises 4K Ultra HD, and it surely delivers without any hiccups. Your TV has to be 4K or better, of course, for you to enjoy the maximum quality from this box. The HDR10 Plus is really a game changer. The brightness and contrast it delivers is just perfect, giving the user the best viewing experience. The box is overall good, I tell you. Even with that low price, the picture quality is impressive. You just have to make sure that your internet connection is good and stable. And just to add more on the Google TV, this is an entirely new operating system which still needs some improvements. It is running on top of the Android TV operating system. It really offers more, but you might need to get used to the user interface first before you can really enjoy it. Chromecast is also built in and its connection is solid. There's also Patch Home and Xiaomi TV Plus, which might not be supported in your country. You can't really install it nor remove it from the front page, but you can move it to the back row. So let us know what you think in the comment section about this box, if you like it or if you're already using it. And as always, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're liking this video, and if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you see all our future videos. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.